Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we can control an onboard LED using a push button on MSP430 Launchpad. MSP430 Launchpad module has red LED connected at digital pin number 2 and a push button which is connected at pin number 5. So in this application I am going to control the LED using a push button. So for doing that, in the setup function I will be first defining the functionality of the pins. So I will be writing pin mode. Pin number 2 has to be configured as the output pin. So I will be configuring it as output using this command. So which means LED is configured as output pin, right? And then I have to enable the internal pull-up which is connected at pin number 5. So for doing that, I will be writing a command pin mode 5, input underscore pull up. So what does this mean? This means that the pull up resistance will be enabled and the status of pin number 5 initially will be high, right? So when the switch is not pressed, the status of pin number 5 will be at logic high, right? So initial state of pin 5 will be high, right? And I want that LED should remain in the off state initially. So for doing that, I will be writing digital write 2, low, so it remains in the off state. LED initially remains in the off state, right? In the loop function, I will be making use of if statement and I will be writing if digital read 5 is low, which means that the switch is pressed, then LED should go to the on state. So for making LED to switch on, I will be writing digital write 2, high. So LED goes to on state using this particular command. So what does this mean? This means that when the push button is pressed, the status of pin number 5 will go to the low, and then the LED which is connected at pin number 2 will be switched on, right? So initially the state of pin number 5 is high, and when the switch is pressed, then the state of pin number 5 will go to low state, the low logic level, and in that case the LED will glow because I have written the command digital write 2, high, which means LED goes to the on state, else it remains in the off state. So for doing that, I will be writing digital write 2, low. So what does this mean? That in case the switch is not pressed, the status of pin number 5 will remain logic high and the LED will remain in the off state, right? So I hope the code is clear, and now we have to save it and compile it to see whether there is any syntax error or not, right? So we will save it by clicking on file, by clicking on save, giving it some name, LED underscore 8, let us say is the name of the file. I'll save it, and then for compiling I will be clicking on this particular option, right? So it will tell me if there is any syntax error or not. So there is no syntax error, the compilation is done successfully. So now we are in the position to test the code on MSP430 Launchpad. So let's test the code on the Launchpad. So now we will upload the code that we have designed on MSP430 Launchpad. For doing that, you have to first ensure that you select the right module and also you select the COM port at which your MSP430 Launchpad is connected. So I'll just cross check the same, that my Launchpad is correctly selected over here. It is G2553 and it is connected at COM3. So these two selections are very important, and once done, you have to just click on this upload button and click it. So when you click it, the uploading process will start and the message will come done uploading, which means that the uploading has been done successfully. And now let us see the Launchpad. So over here you can see that initially the LED is off and this is the push button. Once I press this, the LED goes to the on state, and I release the button, it goes to the off state, right? So when you click it, it becomes on. When you release the button, it goes to the off state, right? So this is how we can control this red LED using this push button. Again repeating that LED is connected at pin number 2 and push button is connected at pin number 5. The initial state of the push button is high, the initial state of LED is low. When the push button is pressed, the state of pin number 5 will go to low and LED goes to the on state, and when you release, the push button status will go to high again and LED goes to the off state. So we have written and tested an application for controlling the onboard LED using push button. In this video, I have shown you how we can control an LED using a push button. In the next video, we will learn more interfacings with MSP 430 Launchpad. So thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for more.